how maintenance of rig systems in oil and gas industry is done. So rig system maintenance involves a combination of preventive maintenance, daily checks, lubrication, cleaning, inspection, and predictive maintenance using technology like vibration or oil analysis to anticipate problems. Key activities include regular inspection for wear and tear, proper lubrication of moving parts, fluids and filter checks, pressure, system testing, and thorough documentation to ensure safety, efficiency, and extended equipment life. So, what are the hazards which are related to rig system maintenance? So, hazards related to rig system maintenance in oil and gas industry include physical dangers like falls, being struck by equipment, and crush injuries, as well as environmental risk such as exposure to harsh weather and flammable materials. Other significant hazards involve chemical exposure, machinery malfunction, noise, and electrical shock from complex and high pressure systems. So, these are the hazards of maintenance which are related to rig system maintenance in the oil and gas industry.